someone with a denial whose spouse refused to go to an interview threatened to deport them still be able to file VAWA? Jeffrey, I can't tell you how many clients I have in a similar situation. So many times we do file VAWA for folks that have started that green card process with their spouse, and then in the middle of that, because obviously it can take close to a year to get that green card approved. In the middle of that, the tide kind of changes with their marriage, and their spouse becomes abusive and controlling and starts threatening them with deportation. So those folks, yes, they can file a VAWA, right? Sometimes the spouse doesn't go to the interview, and this is all part of the pattern of abuse. And so we have filed a VAWA, even though their joint green card application with their spouse was still pending. We end up filing the VAWA, and that's actually really good, because then if that green card portion is denied, then you won't necessarily get put in removal proceedings. So if you have a green card filed already with your spouse, and your spouse is no longer willing to help you, of course, I'm going to put this caveat in there. It has to be a real marriage, right? Do not call me, do not call our office. We cannot help you if your marriage is fraudulent or if it is for just immigration purposes. So if it is a real marriage, you file jointly with your spouse and they're no longer willing to help you with that application, meaning they're no longer willing to stay, to be married to you, and they're using this as a way of controlling you and threatening you with deportation, you might be eligible to file a VAWA. Call our office. We can certainly determine whether or not you are eligible and walk you through the process of what it might look like to file a VAWA application. If you are eligible, I would say take advantage, because you don't want to get denied, get put in court, something bad happening there, because you're going to spend a ton of money in immigration court, lots of stress in immigration court, when you could be moving forward with a green card application without having to depend on your spouse at all, and it'll be based on the abuse in that marriage. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.